This is my spicy salsa. I mean, it's not salsa, but stew. My spicy tomato stew that I put on top of my beans and rice and other things. Yeah. I had to celebrate because I almost gave up my seasonings. Not even use seasoning. I use natural herbs, all herbs for my seasonings in my food. But I just have to leave America for some peanuts.
You see how we looking. You see how we looking.
Too sexy for my Too sexy for my Now this is my salsa I put on there. Tomato stew on top of my. This is pretty freaking good. Put the oil in there, and then I use a lot of oil for mine, so I don't like my chips this one.
I like them dark, baby.
Plain, you know, the plain round ones, and then I have the other ones, chocolate peppers and jalapeno and habanero. My 2-day meal. I got my tomato stew to go on top of my greens, my macaroni and shell cheese. I like shells. My greens with boiled eggs in there. Is it not? And of course some white rice because I can. And then my potatoes and yams. And then my impossible. So I'm good for this couple of days to study it. Then I'm going to smash them.